Hello student, today we discuss hydrocarbon containing multiple bond. Today we discuss how to write the IUPAC naming of organic compound if they are having multiple bond. If hydrocarbon having multiple bond, so how to write IUPAC naming? Hydrocarbons may contain double and triple bond. Hydrocarbons, we already discussed, hydrocarbon are of two types. First one is a saturated and another one is a unsaturated. Hydrocarbon are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which are containing single covalent bond. But unsaturated hydrocarbon and saturated hydrocarbons containing double and triple covalent bond. So, according to multiple bonding, unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types. If hydrocarbons having single covalent bond, then they are called alkane. If hydrocarbons containing single covalent bond. If hydrocarbons containing double covalent bond, carbon containing single covalent bond. If hydrocarbons containing double covalent bond, then they are called alkene. If they are containing triple covalent bond, then they are called alkyne. If they are having triple covalent bond. If the hydrocarbon containing double covalent bond, then we use a primary suffix -ene. For double covalent bond. Primary suffix -ene. But for triple covalent bond, we write -ine. Primary suffix -ine along with the root word. Hydrocarbons containing multiple bonds are named using the following rules. First of all, the longest chain containing the carbon atom involved a multiple bond is identified. For example, if any example is given, CH2 double bond, C single bond, CH3, then we write CH2 and CH3. First of all, the longest chain containing the carbon atoms involved in multiple bonds is identified. Which is the longest chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. But this 4 carbon atom having no multiple bond. But when we start the numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This longest chain having multiple bond, double covalent bond. So we start the numbering from here. The longest chain thus identified must contain multiple bond. Next rule is the numbering of carbon atom in the longest chain is done from that end of the chain from which multiple bond is nearer. So we start the numbering from here because the multiple bond is nearest from numbering starting from here. If the numbering is starting from here, multiple bond is the nearest. But if the numbering is starting from here, multiple bond away from the numbering. Following example, this we take another example for. Now, the name of parent hydrocarbon and the corresponding word root is found. How many carbon atom is present here? 4 carbon atom. So, we write bute. Bute is a root word which is using for 4 carbon atom, which is written for 4 carbon atom. And corresponding word root is found. The primary suffix "ene" for double bond, and we used "ine" for triple bond. Here double bond is present, so we use "ene", E-N-E, for double bond. The position of double bond is 1, so we write 1 for defining the position of double bond, and write "ene" for presence of double bond. Now we take a next example. CH3, CH2, CH2, C triple bond C. First of all, start the numbering from triple bond where it is nearest. So we write numbering, we start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom is present, so we write the root word pent for 5 carbon. We write pent for 5 carbon. And the position of triple bond is on first carbon, so we write 1 for defining the position of triple bond. And we write "ine" for presence of triple bond. So we write the primary suffix "ine". So the name of this given compound is pent 1-ine. Understand? Now discuss the next rule. The name and position of side chain present in a compound are written exactly in the same way as we discussed earlier. Now we take an example. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. First of all, we start numbering where from the multiple bond is nearest. So the double bond is nearest from this carbon. So we start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. First we write the name of substituent carbon. Here CH3 is a substituent group. Name of substituent group is methyl. So we write methyl for this group, this substituent group, and define the position of this substituent group. This is present on third carbon, so we write 3-methyl. We use bute root word for 4 carbon because the 4 carbon is present here. We write 1 for defining the position of double bond and "ene" for double bond. So the name of this organic compound is 3-methyl-bute-1-ene. 3-methyl-bute-1-ene. Now we take another example. If we write CH3, C triple bond C, C, CH3 and CH3. Again we start the numbering. We start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we write the name of substituent group. which is present on fourth carbon. So we write 4-methyl pent for 5 carbon atom, pent, and the position of triple bond is on second carbon. So we write 2-ine. So the name of given organic compound is 4-methyl pent 2-ine. Thank you, class.